Welcome to the new building. The automatic door leads us into the car park where our staff will be able to safely park even their electric cars. We are now entering through the side entrance of the building, which is security safe with fingerprint access. This leads us into reception, which is an open space, including newly built reception desk and meeting room desk. The doors in the meeting room has a glass partition should members of the team need to have a meeting. This is the main entrance of the new building, where we look forward to welcoming our viewers through the doors when we are officially open. Moving through into our largest studio, which is known as Studio 1, this is where we held our dedication. Going up in the first floor, we have a custom-designed Revelation staircase railing. In total, there are 4 floors in the new building. On the first floor, we have our offices, where our office team will be answering viewer calls and answering emails. We love to hear and interact with our Revelation TV family. The kitchen, perfect for our members of the team to have their lunch breaks. The editor's room is going to be a creative hub of ideas where we'll be producing inspiring content to the highest standard. Next to the editing room is the audio and visual room, where all the editors and sound production will have their final checks to ensure the highest quality content is shown on the channel. Then we go down into the basement with the basement reception area, which is equipped with the latest acoustic technology. This reception is the central point of all 4 studios located in the basement. The virtual studio is where we'll be able to produce some exciting and innovative content with our green screen. This will allow us to use any background and locations as we wish. All our studios are equipped with the highest soundproofing technology, which stops any unwanted sound entering or leaving the studio during recording. Studio 2 is home of our mornings, where we'll be live and interactive, as well as keeping up to date with the latest current affairs from a Christian perspective. We will also have multiple sets to change between live broadcast and switching to a variety of presenters who will be bringing devotionals, interviews, and even cooking segments. Studio 2 control room will see the crew directing and producing our mornings. This is Studio 4. It is currently being used as a storeroom, but will be used in the future for recordings. The storeroom is where we keep all the equipment purchased from the ITV. We are praying that over the coming months, this equipment will be distributed throughout the studios and used to create Revelation TV programs. The changing rooms are a generous space where presenters will be able to comfortably prepare themselves for recordings or change their outfits between live programs. The bathrooms and showers will also give presenters and staff an opportunity to refresh themselves. The music studio is where we'll be able to produce and mix original music and record guest artists at the very highest quality. The engineering office is the brains of the new building. The rack room powers all of the studios and contains hundreds of kilometers of cable, which is being distributed throughout the entire building. Last but not least, the Rooftop Terrace, which gives our staff a beautiful view of the surrounding area, provides them with fresh air and gives an opportunity to relax during their breaks. We are excited to share this update of the building with you, and we thank you for your support this far. Take care and God bless.